Welcome back to my channel, Techno Trend Zone. Today we're diving into the next evolution in Sony's Alpha series, the highly anticipated Sony A7V, which many creators believe could become the best hybrid mirrorless camera on the market. If you've been using or following the Sony A7IV, you'll know it was an incredible blend of photo and video capabilities, but like any camera, it had its limitations. Now, as we look ahead to what the Sony A7V may offer, it's time to talk seriously about what this next-gen hybrid could and should bring to elevate creative possibilities. One of the most anticipated upgrades would be a full-frame, uncropped 4K 60fps video recording, something the A7IV missed by enforcing a frustrating 1.5x crop at that setting. Competitors at similar price points now offer full-sensor 4K at higher frame rates, and Sony has the opportunity here to stay ahead of the curve. Filmmakers and YouTube content creators alike crave that wide-field cinematic aesthetic without compromise, and removing the crop in 4K 60 would cement the A7V as a top-tier 4K video camera for both hobbyists and professionals. But there's more. When it comes to burst photography, the A7IV maxed out at 10 frames per second in compressed RAW, and only 6 FPS when shooting uncompressed. For wildlife and sports photographers who rely on speed and precision, that limitation is a serious setback. That's why the Sony A7V needs to step up its sensor game, possibly adopting a stacked sensor design similar to higher-end models like the A1. Not only would this significantly increase frame rates, but it would also reduce rolling shutter artifacts, which are especially problematic when panning quickly during video or capturing fast-moving subjects. Adding the new flip-tilt LCD display found in the A7RV would also be a welcome upgrade. The A7IV's vari-angle screen was helpful, but the flip-tilt mechanism offers more flexibility for high and low-angle shots, and better aligns with the needs of modern-day content creators who shoot vertical and horizontal formats interchangeably. Alongside the new display, Sony should improve the screen resolution itself. Users have long complained about the subpar LCD clarity on the A7IV, and with so many creators now shooting high-end YouTube videos and cinematic B-roll, having a high-resolution, color-accurate display is essential. Let's not forget autofocus. Sony's eye autofocus is legendary, but the A7V should push it even further with AI-based body and head tracking, especially when subjects turn away from the camera. Sony has already introduced AI pose estimation and real-time tracking in the A7RV and ZV-E1, and this technology could be game-changing if brought to the hybrid A7V line. Imagine a camera that not only tracks your eyes but understands full body movement, even when you're wearing a mask or helmet. For vloggers, filmmakers, and solo creators, this is the next step in autofocus evolution. Speaking of AI, let's hope the A7V comes with AI-powered auto-framing and digital gimbal-like stabilization, as seen in Sony's vlogging-focused models. These features could transform the A7V into a vlogger's dream camera, offering stabilized, well-framed footage with minimal setup. Now, while we'd love to see premium features like 8K RAW video, 4K 120fps uncropped, and dual native ISO at 2800, it's important to remember the A7V is part of Sony's hybrid lineup, meant to balance affordability with powerful functionality. Sony divides its Alpha series into three main branches: the regular hybrid line, the R line for ultra-high-resolution photography, and the S line for cinematic video quality with high sensitivity. So realistically, Sony has to keep the A7V priced within reach of most hybrid creators. Adding too many pro-level features could push the cost too high and cannibalize its own R and S series. That said, even within these limits, there's a lot Sony can do. For example, introducing new color science, improved dynamic range, better low-light performance, or even a dedicated cooling system could elevate the A7V's place in the market, without breaking pricing norms. Enhanced menu navigation and touchscreen responsiveness would also be appreciated, especially by those moving from beginner-level cameras. The Sony A7V has the potential to become the best camera for hybrid creators. Whether you're a wedding photographer, travel filmmaker, YouTuber, or someone exploring cinematic storytelling, it doesn't have to be the most powerful on paper, but if it's responsive, versatile, and reliable, it will win hearts. As we wait for the official announcement, it's clear this camera has the chance to define a new era of hybrid shooting. And that's it for today's deep dive. Let me know in the comments what features you want in the Sony A7V. Are you prioritizing AI autofocus, uncropped video, a better screen, or something else? I read every comment, and your input helps shape the direction of this channel. If you enjoyed this breakdown and want more tech news, mirrorless camera reviews, and photography insights, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. This is Techno Trend Zone, signing off until next time, where tech meets creativity.